Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect WordPress with n8n. This integration allows you to automate various tasks, streamlining your website management and content workflows. Imagine automatically publishing new posts, updating user profiles, or triggering actions based on form submissions. We'll cover the essential steps to get these two powerful platforms communicating seamlessly, unlocking a world of automation possibilities for your digital presence. It's a straightforward process that yields significant efficiency gains. First, ensure your n8n instance is properly set up and accessible, whether it's self-hosted or cloud-based. Next, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section, and search for the official n8n plugin. Install and activate it. Once activated, you'll find a new n8n menu item. Here, you'll input your n8n instance's URL, establishing the initial handshake between your WordPress site and your automation platform. This foundational step is crucial for secure and reliable data exchange. Now, let's build a simple workflow. In your n8n interface, create a new workflow and drag a WordPress trigger node onto the canvas. This node listens for events on your WordPress site. You'll configure it to connect to your WordPress instance using the API key generated by the plugin. For example, you might choose New Post as your trigger. Then, add another node, perhaps an email node, to send a notification every time a new post is published. This demonstrates a basic, yet powerful automation. Beyond basic triggers, n8n offers many WordPress nodes for actions like creating users, updating posts, or managing comments. Consider using webhooks for highly customized event triggers, sending specific data from WordPress to n8n. Always incorporate error handling into your workflows to gracefully manage unexpected issues, preventing disruptions. Finally, regularly test your automations with real data and monitor their execution logs to ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently, maximizing your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.